Hey, what is up YouTube? So as we all know, there's a new device in town, Xiaomi Redmi 9T. This time we are having a 6GB variant with base storage of 128GB. So in this video, let's take a look at what's inside the box, what we are getting, and is this device a good value for your money or not. So let's find out. So here is the packaging. Along with that, you're getting a warranty card. So let's cut the seal right up. So this is a device that is marketed at price 34,000 here in Pakistan, but I bought it for rupees 31,000. That is the price you can get at a wholesale market, so do keep that in mind. So at the top, as you can see, there are some major specs written: the battery, the processor, the display, and the 48 megapixel camera. So inside the box, you're getting a Type-C data cable, a 18-watt fast charger, and some paperwork along with the ejection pin. And that's not all, you're also been given a jelly pouch by Xiaomi, so that's something good. So this device is available in 4 colors. One is carbon gray, twilight blue, sunrise orange, and ocean green. The device I'm holding right now is ocean green. So let's unwrap this device. So here you can see the device itself, the beautiful Xiaomi Redmi 9T. It is having a quad camera setup. Actually, there are 3 cameras. One is a depth sensor. So we'll get into it in detail. Let's power on this device. Until the device power on, let me give you guys a quick overview. So as you can see, the front is a 6.5 inches 1080p IPS LCD screen. At the right side, we're getting a power key that is a fingerprint sensor as well. At the top, we're getting a 3.5mm headphone jack, a speaker grill, and a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. At the left side, we got a SIM tray, and at the bottom, we got a Type-C USB port, another speaker, and the primary microphone. So this device is having a stereo dual speaker, and at the front, we're having a front camera of 8 megapixels of so average quality that is not good at all. Anyways, at the back, we are getting the camera setup, the Redmi branding, and the textured back of this device. Talking about the cameras, the main camera is 48 megapixel wide camera with 1.8 aperture. The second camera is ultra wide 8 megapixel camera, and the third one is a 2 megapixel camera, which is a macro camera. And along with that, we're getting a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So the device is quite smooth. It is having Android 10 operating system with MIUI 12. The dimensions of this device are 9.6mm, and the weight of this device is 198 grams, which is quite on the heavier side. Anyways, talking about the processor of this device. Okay, now the difference between the 4GB variant and the 6GB variant is just of RAM. The processor is same. The processor is a Snapdragon 662 processor, which is an octa-core chipset along with GPU Adreno 610 that is being used in this device. So here you can see Android version 10. And talking about the brightness of this screen, the brightness is just 400 nits. That is also good, not that amazing. Apart from that, we're getting a 120GB storage, 6GB of RAM, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, to let you guys know that the SIM card can support dual SIM as well as a micro SD card slot that is also present in this device. So yeah, this is the device itself. It is quite snappy, it's quite smooth. We have some different modes, the dark mode, we have also some extra features. There are all the basic sensors in this device. It is a quite handy device who needs a all-rounded device in this price range. I would suggest the Xiaomi Redmi 9T, no doubt, because it is a good device. Enough of the overview of this device. Now let's quickly dive into the camera spec sheet of this device. So the camera quality, I compared it with my old S8 and it outperformed my S8 in some areas. It has great detail, great depth, the colors are amazing, the pictures are quite nice. But as soon as I switched towards the front camera, it disappointed me a bit. That is a fact that you should keep in mind. So yeah, not much expectations there from the front camera. Anyways, the device can record 30 30 fps videos, nor 60 fps is present in this device, although you can record full HD 1080p videos. Here you can see that as well. So here you can see the leveling system also. I prefer this device for someone who's looking to get a decent camera, decent processor, quite a snappy experience, and they don't want to spend a lot budget on the device, so they can get this. So talking about the battery of this device is having a 6000 mAh battery, along with a fast battery charging of 18 watt and a reverse charging of 2.5 watt. That is quite nice. It is better than getting a Realme 7i or 6i. Along these devices having the same processor as this device. You can get this device as low as 31,000, and even the 4GB variant even less. So yeah, that is something to keep in mind. Well, this device is also having a micro SD card slot. Now I wanted to make a great detailed review on the display of this device, because there was something that I really liked about this device, the display. And my favorite part about the display is that it's having such nice colors. Here I'm playing a video. Okay, this device can play max 1080p videos, but you can see the colors of the device. They are so popping and so nice. The viewing angles are great. You're not gonna see some dimness or anything like that, any flares. The display is quite beautiful in my opinion. The color science is also good. So yeah, and here you can see the dual speaker setup. In this price range, you're getting a device with a 6000 mAh battery, dual stereo speaker, a type C with fast charging. The display is big, the processor is good, not that bad, not that amazing either. Snapdragon 662 can run all of your games quite fine. You can run PUBG at medium settings, and you can play quite some heavy games too with this device. The 6GB RAM variant is the best way to go, because you're getting a 6GB variant device in this price range, and that's something another company won't offer you. So I would suggest it over the Poco M3 also. But this device also gets heated a bit when you're gonna go for some intense gaming. Apart from that, we're getting some modes in the camera, like the portrait mode and different modes I've shown you before. The front camera is a bit disappointing in my opinion, because it takes quite depth away when captured. There is noise in the image, and yeah. So I guess that covers it all for the quick review of this, quick unboxing and review of this device. If you guys have any queries, you can comment down below, and I'll be answering them all. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video guys, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Take care. This is Ali Shahid signing off. Peace.